Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here with another recipe of pumpkin spice latte and pumpkin spice cold brew. Start with picking up with fresh pumpkin. I always prefer a fresh pumpkin because I feel there's a day and night difference between a canned and the fresh one. We need to cut the pumpkin and scoop out the seeds and thready material inside it. You can also use the canned pureed pumpkins, but I always prefer the fresh ones. And believe me guys, it's worth it because once you puree this pumpkin, you can keep it in batches for your future use. And can make your pumpkin latte and pumpkin cold brew at any time at home. Now pop this in the oven for 400 Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes till it becomes soft and easy to mash. When I insert the knife in it, it goes in and out very easily. So here it is perfectly done. Scoop out the pulp. It was too hot, so it was difficult for me to scoop out. You can let it sit for some time so that it cools down. I have seen many grabbing their pumpkin spice latte and cold brews whenever they go out. So it's better to make our own homemade version with all the organic and whole ingredients. That makes a huge difference, not only in taste, but it's quite friendly to your pocket. Now we are just trying to hand blend it. You can also grind it and make it into a fine puree. It's been pureed, but to make it more fine and silky mixture, we need to strain it. It becomes smooth. This silky puree is just perfect for the pumpkin spice latte and cold brew. For the pumpkin spice, you need 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg powder, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, and 1.5 teaspoons of cloves powder. We need to mix all these spices to make our own pumpkin spice, as I always prefer homemade spices, and of course you can use the ready-made pumpkin spice. Give it a good mix. This is so aromatic, I must say, heavenly aroma. For the pumpkin spice latte, we need 2 cups of brewed coffee. You can use your favorite coffee. Now keep the brewed coffee aside. For the prep of spiced pumpkin milk, we need a saucepan and 2 cups of milk. You can also use almond milk or coconut milk. To the milk, add 4 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. You can also add little more or less. Now mix it nicely so that the puree is well mixed into it. To that add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice mix. Remember, the spice what you made can be kept in an airtight container and can be used later. For the sweetness, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can also use brown sugar or white granulated sugar and mix well. To this add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. We don't have to boil this, just remove it from the stove and strain it. Straining gives the smooth and silky texture to your latte and also remove the visible particles from it. Here I have divided the spiced milk into 2 portions. One I'll keep it in the fridge and other I'll just blend it for a few seconds so that it becomes frothy and thick. For pumpkin spice latte, you need to take 1 shot of coffee. To that, add this frothy mixture of spiced milk. Who doesn't like to top their lattes with some whipping cream? So I did the same. Oh, it's literally dripping off. Now sprinkle it with some pumpkin spice. Now it is done. Ready to drink and enjoy it. Now for the pumpkin spice cold brew, we need to blend the cold mixture which we have kept it in the fridge. Just add few ice cubes with the brewed coffee and the cold frothy mixture of pumpkin spice milk on the top of this cold brewed coffee. Wow, this is so satisfying to watch this. I totally love this. I'm sure there are many who love pumpkin spice latte and many love pumpkin spice ice brew. Which is your favorite? Do let me know in the comment section. Again, top it with some whipped cream and some pumpkin spice. So today I have shown you two ways. One is pumpkin spice latte and the other one is pumpkin spice cold brew. So do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you get notified for more amazing recipes and videos. Till then, take care and bye-bye.